Nanay! Say hi, Becky!
Hi, Vicky.
How are you?
Hello.
I miss you. When's your birthday? Nanay, when is your birthday?
Ang dami mong tissue.
Lalim.
Bibili ko lang. Ingay na mga.
What's your name? Nanay, what's your name?
Amiga. Ang ko.
Wow.
Sabi mo na, Becky. You repeat after me, Becky. Say it. I'll spank you. Becky. Becky, I need.
Money!
Becky. Hey, Becky. Give me money. I will buy suction. Karinig mo yung ubom. I will buy suction machine. If you will not
I will kill
give
you.
me money, I will die.